Hello guys, welcome to Easy Web Dev. Today I'll show you how to make this infinite banner using text shadow, and later I will optimize it using custom properties. So let's get started. Now I already have boilerplate code ready, which there is HTML, and in style.css I have already reset all the styles. So now in body tag I will make a div of class banner, and that's all we have to do. Now I will open it with live server. Now in CSS I will give our body tag a width of 100 view width and a height of 100 view height, and I will give it a background color of maroon. I will grab my banner class and give it a width of 100% and height of 70 pixels. You can adjust the height accordingly. Also I will give it a background color of black. As you can see I have a strip of black color. Now to place it in center I will use display grid and place item center so that it will come to center. Now I will give it a banner of font family Office. As I have already installed Poppins in my system, so I don't need to import it from Google Chrome. Now I will show you the trick behind the infinite banner. So first I will grab the banner and give it a pseudo element of before, and in before I will give the content whatever we want. So I will hit easy web dev and give it a color of aqua so that we can see what we have written. Now to place it in center I will do display flex and align item center and justify content flex start so that it will come to center, and also I will increase the font size to uh, 3.5 RE, sorry 2.5 RE. So as you can see we have our main so as you can see we have our main title here. Now to animate it, first I will give a text shadow. Now I will declare a custom property which I name it color and give it a same color of background which is maroon. Now I will give it a text shadow of 0x offset, 0y offset, 1 pixel for blur, and color using custom properties that is TLR. And now you are not able to see the you are not able to see because it is hidden behind this aqua color status. You are not able to see the text shadow because it is hidden behind this aqua color word. So now I will give it an offset of say 20. So now you will see the text shadow. So to make it dynamic, I will use another custom property which I name it ch, and we have to would take uh, to give x offset, we will make another custom property. We will name it ch. I mean, we will give another unit that is not pixel, not percentage. That is say 5ch. Ch is the unit which is equal to the width of a zero. So how do we calculate how many ch we want? So we can calculate it by using the words we have written. So easy web dev uh, have 10 letters, but if we include spaces, it is 12. So we will give us a ch of 12. Now if we take the f offset equal to the ch, it will work perfectly fine like that. So for that, first I will make it without custom property, that is 12ch. So like that, we have to use a 4 text shadow, and we can use the 4 text shadow separated by comma. So first text shadow is will be on the same place as our word. Second text shadow is equal to 12ch, which is the length of the word. Third text shadow is equal to 2 times our length, means 24. And fourth text shadow will be 3 times. And if we want to increase our text shadow, we can do it like that. So as you can see, we have 4 text shadow. So to increase the space between our text shadows, we will take 5ch more than whatever our. Uh, so to increase our text shadow, we will take 5ch more than whatever our sentence would be. So 12 plus 5 is 7. Now if we write it here, 17ch, 4ch, and 51ch. So as you can see, it is very well separated. Now we will make the color of our this shadow transparent so that we are not able to see it, and we will remove it the color as well. So to animate it, we will take keyframes, give it a name of view, and we will move it to. So now we will move our text shadow to outside our screen so that the first text shadow is on 0 pixel, so it will go that many pixel outside us. So we will give it minus 17 ch, and then same as the 17 ch will go to till 0, and the third will go till 17 ch, and fourth will go till 34. uh, is the animation of move to our banner. We'll give it 5 seconds and it will be near, and it will be infinite. So 5 seconds is very less. So we will reduce our time to 3 seconds. maybe 1 second will be good. So now we will see that it is generating text shadow every time. So to get rid of that bug, we will increase our text shadow one more time. And also we will import shadow, and also we will give shift text shadow in keyframes also, which is of p1 space. And now we will see that it will be working perfectly fine. So to optimize it, we will take that ph variable and use calculate var ph and multiply it by 0 first. Then in second time we will multiply it by 1, and third time we will multiply it by 2. In fourth time we will multiply it by 3, and in fifth time we will multiply it by 4. As you can see, there is no effect on the animation, and we will do same here, but in keyframe we will start from -1. And we will repeat that same again. In third shadow we will do here 1. In fourth shadow we will give it value 2, and fifth shadow we will give a value of 3. So as you can see, it is optimized this way. So if you want to take another, if you want to, so if you want to increase our sentence, so we have to just add some letter, and we have already add 11 letters. So we will add 11 here. 19 plus 11 equal to 28, and it will work perfectly fine with that also. So hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more such content. We will see you later in next time.